Hi folks, Practical Not Tactical Dad here, and I will be showing you today a video on my mobile sharpening station for the Ken Onion Worksharp model. This is just something I created. I don't know, I want to share with everybody, and maybe you guys could make something similar, do some upgrades, or just get some advice from a sharpening expert. Not that I'm an expert, but most people that watch my videos are more experts on sharpening and knives than I am. But we won't go there right now. But this is what I've created right here. This is a 3/4 inch pine board, which I have drilled a baking sheet to that I got at a yard sale. And what I've done with the baking sheet, as you can see, my Worksharp, it's mounted there, but if I want to move it, boom, done. I have these pins right here. Pull those pins out, let them stick to the magnets, which I catch my file shavings. And if I don't want to use my Worksharp, maybe I want to use a bench stone or some whetstones. Here we go. Look at this. It accommodates. Lay a rag down inside there. It'll catch all your water. It won't make a mess in the garage or on your kitchen table. Catches all your filings, which the magnets help with that. You want to wrap them in a paper towel while you're sharpening. That way filings don't stick all over your magnet. They stick to the paper towel, and then you can remove the magnet and throw away the paper towel with the shavings on it. But yeah, it's fairly simple. I mean, I'm sure someone else has made something like this, but I thought it was a pretty sweet idea. And if I want, I can take this to the bench, and I left a little bit of extra room out here for a tabletop. And also, what I can do, depending on where I'm at, C-clamp that sucker to the side, and you can stand off to the side of your bench like that. And I mean, maybe you want to stand at it like this angle, do an axe head, or whatever. You can C-clamp it to your workbench, and you have a little extension table with your Worksharp here, or your bench stone. So yeah, quick video. I'm going to leave it under 3 minutes. Anyone have any questions, comments, new designs, maybe something that you have made yourself for your sharpening needs, please let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and see you in a future video. Practical Not Tactical Dad here, signing off.